In this video, I'll show you how to save offline maps in Google Maps. If you're new to this channel, please subscribe or click the follow button to be updated with our latest upload. When you're planning a long trip, it's wise to save offline maps on that area of travel to avoid connection problems and reducing data consumption. To save an offline map in Google Maps, open the app on your Android or iOS device. At the top, at the far right of the search bar, tap your profile icon. In the pop-up menu, select Offline Maps. Tap Select Your Own Map. Define the area you want to download. Pinch and zoom in so that both your starting and end points are present. When you're finished, tap Download. Note that there's a finite limit on offline map size, so if you're making cross-country or international trips, you'll need to save multiple maps. Also, downloaded maps will expire in 1 year, but you can update it to keep it in your device. For more how-to tutorials, please subscribe or click other videos to keep on watching.